Welcome. Here is your question. First, try to solve it yourself. This will make the next part of our video much more helpful. Pause the video now and give it a try before we show the solution. Great job! If you got the correct answer, well done. If not, we hope you learned from this video. If you have any questions, feel free to share them in the comments. And remember, our weekly review program is available exclusively for our members to help you practice even more. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.